Welcome to Everyday ADD Coaching. Have you ever struggled to explain how your brain works differently from someone who doesn't have those challenges? If so, stay tuned. To explain neurodivergence to someone who is neurotypical, imagine a group of people using different types of computers. Most people might use a standard operating system like Windows or macOS. These systems are familiar with a consistent layout, expected functions, and commonly used apps. This is like being neurotypical, processing information and behaving in a way that aligns with what's expected in a particular culture or setting. Now imagine some people using computers with different operating systems, like Linux or older versions of software, or even specialized systems designed for particular tasks. These systems work differently. Some might be faster at specific tasks, others might uniquely handle information, and some might need different commands to perform the same functions. This is like being neurodivergent, processing information and behaving in ways that differ from the standard, but are still entirely valid. For example, ADHD could be like a high-performance gaming computer that runs many programs simultaneously. It's incredibly dynamic and spontaneous, but might struggle to stay focused on one task because it's designed for a fast-paced, multitasking environment. Autism could be like a specialized computer designed for highly detailed tasks. It processes information precisely, often focusing intensely on specific tasks, while finding other tasks, like social interactions, more challenging. Dyslexia could be like a computer that processes text data differently. It might struggle with reading specific files but excels at tasks that involve spatial reasoning or creative problem solving. Neurodiversity is the idea that all these different operating systems and computers are part of the broader technological ecosystem. Each brings something unique to the table, different strengths, perspectives, and abilities that contribute to society's overall richness and functionality. Just as no one operating system is inherently better than another, neurodiversity emphasizes that different ways of thinking are all valuable and necessary. Expanding on the computer analogy, understanding neurodiversity is like recognizing that having various computers and operating systems available isn't just helpful, it's essential for tackling a wide range of tasks and challenges. Each system has unique strengths that can be leveraged in different situations. For example, a high-performance gaming computer might be ideal for complex simulations, while a specialized machine might excel at detailed data analysis. Similarly, neurodivergent people bring unique perspectives, talents, and problem-solving approaches that are invaluable in many aspects of life. Benefits of neurodiversity. When we embrace neurodiversity, we acknowledge that not everyone needs to think, learn, or process information the same way to be successful. This acceptance allows us to create environments where everyone can thrive by playing to their strengths rather than forcing everyone to conform to a single standard. For instance, in a workplace that values neurodiversity, an individual with ADHD might excel in a fast-paced, dynamic role where quick decision-making and creativity are essential. Their ability to think on their feet and manage multiple tasks simultaneously could drive innovation and adaptability in a team. Someone with autism might bring incredible attention to detail and a deep focus on tasks that require precision, making them invaluable in roles involving data analysis, quality control, or any task requiring sustained concentration. A person with dyslexia might approach problems from a non-linear perspective, offering creative solutions that others might not see, particularly in areas like design, engineering, or storytelling. By recognizing these strengths, we not only enhance the productivity and creativity of teams, but also reduce the pressure on neurodivergent individuals to conform to ways of thinking and working that don't suit them. If you are finding this video useful, please share it with others and be sure to hit the like button. Benefits for neurodivergent individuals. Understanding and embracing neurodiversity is equally beneficial for neurodivergent people. When neurodivergent individuals are understood and supported, they can develop healthy self-esteem, recognizing that their differences are strengths rather than flaws. They feel empowered to advocate for their needs, whether asking for a quieter workspace, more time to complete tasks, or learning tools that align with their way of processing information. They can focus on developing their unique talents and abilities without the constant pressure to fit in or meet neurotypical expectations. For example, a student with ADHD might benefit from being allowed to move around during class or have lessons broken into shorter, more engaging segments. This could transform their educational experience, allowing them to engage fully with the material in a way that suits their learning style. On a broader scale, promoting neurodiversity in society can lead to a reduction in stigma and discrimination. When people see neurodivergence as a natural and valuable variation in how humans think, it can decrease bullying and create more inclusive communities. It also encourages a culture where differences are celebrated, leading to more positive representations of neurodivergent individuals in the media, which can help others understand and appreciate these differences. In essence, neurodiversity enriches our world by bringing various perspectives and abilities into the mix, making our societies, schools, and workplaces more innovative, adaptable, and inclusive. Understanding neurodiversity isn't just about supporting those who are neurodivergent. It's about recognizing that we all benefit when everyone's unique abilities are valued and nurtured. What can you add to this conversation in terms of thoughts that may benefit others? Please share these in the comments. Be sure to give this video a like. This is Everyday ADD Coaching. We'll see you next time.